The VIOFO A329S 4K dashcam is a premium choice for anyone serious about road safety and video quality. If you are curious about the latest price of this dashcam, you can check it out from the description below. With its front camera recording in ultra-clear 4K at 60 frames per second and the rear camera capturing 2K footage, every detail, from license plates to street signs, is crystal clear, day or night. The dual STARVIS 2 sensors provide exceptional low-light performance, reducing noise and motion blur while improving dynamic range, so even fast-moving cars are captured sharply. One of the standout features is the power-saving impact detection parking mode. It monitors your parked car without draining the battery and immediately records if an incident occurs. This makes it ideal for city parking or long trips. The dashcam also embraces next-generation Wi-Fi 6 technology, allowing you to transfer videos 3 times faster than older models. A 1-minute 4K clip can be shared or downloaded in under 10 seconds, which is convenient for both emergency situations and sharing memorable road moments. Storage is another strong point. Supporting up to 4 TB SSDs or 512 GB microSD cards, the A329S lets you record continuously for weeks without worrying about overwriting files. Installation is straightforward and discreet thanks to slim coaxial cables that minimize interference with other car electronics, keeping your dashboard clean and organized. While the dashcam excels in video quality and features, the optional hardwire kit and high-capacity storage are sold separately, which is something to consider if you plan extended parking monitoring. Overall, the VIOFO A329S offers professional-grade recording, versatile app controls, built-in GPS, and voice commands, making it a solid investment for safety-conscious drivers. Check the link in the description below to explore pricing and more details. You won't want to miss what this dashcam can do.